Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to start a group video call on Telegram using your PC, especially with the latest update that makes it super easy and convenient. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, head over to Telegram's official website and download the desktop version. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're in the app, find and open the group where you want to start the video call. This could be a group with family, friends, or colleagues. The choice is yours. Next, take a look at the top of the conversation window. You'll see 3 icons. Click on the middle one, which looks like a phone or call icon. This is your gateway to initiating calls within the group. After clicking the call icon, you'll see the option to start video chat. Select this to begin the video call. Telegram will prompt you to confirm the group for the video chat, so pick your group and click Continue. And just like that, your group video call will start. You can now see and talk with all the members who join. If you want to share your screen or adjust audio and video settings, those options will be available during the call. Starting group video calls on Telegram's PC app is a seamless way to connect and collaborate, whether it's for catching up with friends or holding a meeting. Just remember these simple steps. Open Telegram, pick your group, click the call icon, choose Start Video Chat, select your group, and hit Continue. Enjoy your new way to connect with your group on Telegram and make the most of your video chats on PC.